Welcome children of class 8 in our e-learning class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is understanding secularism. But before that, you all know properly that the first chapter, that is the Indian Constitution, it is in our PT1 syllabus, and you have to prepare, or better to say, you have to read thoroughly that chapter for your upcoming examination or learning outcomes, whatever it is addressed as. But you have to study from that chapter properly because it is in your PT1 syllabus. Now, understanding secularism, the second chapter, it is in your term 1 syllabus. Okay, imagine yourself as a Hindu or Muslim. About secularism we have read in our previous chapter only. Imagine yourself as a Hindu or Muslim living in a part of the United States of America where Christian fundamentalism is very powerful. Suppose that despite being a US citizen, no one is willing to rent their house to you. How would this make you feel? Would it not make you feel resentful? Resentful means feeling angry. What if you decided to complain against this discrimination and were told to go back to India? Would this not make you feel angry? Definitely, we all will become angry. Why not? Your anger could take two forms. First, you might react by saying that Christians should get the same treatment in places where Hindus and Muslims are in a majority. This one is one option in your hand. You might say, okay, these Christians, you people are just tormenting us, or you are just doing some sort of torture on us because we are not following Christianity. That means we are not of the same religion. Then if you go to a country where you will find Hindus or the Muslims as majority, then you will understand that what is actually the matter, that how you can feel quite humiliated. Okay, this is a form of retaliation, that means a type of counter-attack to take revenge. Another option, or you might take the view that there should be justice for all. That means no one should be treated or no one should be discriminated on the basis of their religion that they practice or they follow. You may fight stating that no one should be discriminated against on grounds of their religious practices and beliefs. This statement rests on the assumption that all forms of domination related to religion should end. This is the essence of secularism. In this chapter, we will read more about what this means in the Indian context. History provides us with many examples of discrimination, exclusion and persecution. Exclusion meaning to exclude, and persecution, that means a very harsh treatment, ill treatment, especially because of race or because of religious beliefs. That means some sort of oppression when you confront on the grounds of religion. You may have read about how Jews were persecuted in Hitler's Germany and how several millions were killed. Now, however, the Jewish state of Israel treats its own Muslim and Christian minorities quite badly. That means the discrimination is still going on there. In Saudi Arabia, non-Muslims are not allowed to build a temple, church, etc., and nor can they gather in a public place for prayers. That means they are not allowed. If you are not following the Muslim religion, then you are not allowed to build any temple or any church, or you cannot gather anywhere for any sort of public prayers or for any sort of religious activities. You cannot celebrate your own way of religious festivals. You cannot celebrate them. In all the above examples, members of one religious community either persecute or discriminate against members of other religious communities. These acts of discrimination take place more easily when one religion is given official recognition by the state at the expense of other religions. Okay, this type of thing can happen only if the state, that means the country, it announces only one religion as the state religion or the official religion of that country or for that place. Then others, they are not at all allowed to practice or follow their own religions, because you have to follow the state religion. Might be this is true for Saudi Arabia. Okay, clearly no one would wish to be discriminated against because of their religion, nor dominated by another religion. Who will feel like getting dominated by other people who are following different religions? Nobody will. Okay, in India, can the state discriminate against a citizen on the grounds of their religion? The answer we will study in our next class when we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Till then, stay well. Bye.